I've always been reluctant to build a portfolio site for myself. For some reason, I didn't feel the need to, considering that I've always gotten connections through referrals. Well, not until I was designing a new thumbnail for my YouTube video. That's when the idea and feeling of the need to build a portfolio site for myself came to mind. One of the beauties of software engineering is the ability to bring your ideas to reality. So I started my portfolio site with the idea of switching my thumbnail to a site for myself. And voila, here we are, my very own thumbnail as my site. I created the nav bar and applied some hover effects to each of the menu options, which increases the font size of the menus, and add a scale up and change of background colors for the two buttons present in the nav bar and the hero section. Then an about me section with a little essay about myself and a button with a similar background hover effect. I added something interesting, these bouncing icons that take me back to the previous section, and can see that in every new section we enter. Then down to the service section, created a card and added a hover scale up effect. This picture isn't shown, which isn't supposed to happen. I'll look into it. Next, some portfolio projects, and yes, not all projects, not even a quarter, are displayed. Moving on to the contact section. This is important because you can reach out to me through this means for job inquiries. So I've included all contact details and got the form working. Let me test run it. Oops, isn't supposed to happen. Let me try the other form and see if it works. Another error. These are major functionalities and should be working. Let me tinker around and resolve the bug. I went through the code and nothing seemed wrong. That leaves me with my email service, email.js, which says Gmail API invalid grant, please reconnect your Gmail account. I did a quick Google lookup and found out that it must have been disconnected, possibly due to a change in password, which I did. So I reconnected the Gmail account and restarted the service, and now it's working. With this, I receive an instant email of your needs and I can reply easily. I also intend to create an auto response for the quotation, so you will receive quotation email to you. One more thing with my mobile responsiveness. Will it appear fairly decent in a phone view? Yes, it does. So this will serve as a temporary portfolio site, and I could decide to change it tomorrow and all will be good. I'm Chibike Cletus VCM14. Have a lovely day.